Hi, for today's video is how to back up your Android device. There's always a possibility that you'll misplace your phone or drop it in water and lose everything. Thankfully, there are plenty ways to back up Android devices, ensuring that even if something happens to your phone, you won't lose all your photos. Whether through Google or third-party app or your computer, there are multiple ways to back up phones to ensure you never find yourself in a situation where you lose data. But here's the quick way to back up your phone. You'll open up Google One app. I have here, open it on Chrome. Because mine is already backed up. If it's your first time, you're gonna tap Storage and scroll to the Device Backup section. Then you're gonna set up Data Backup. To find your backup settings, tap Manage Backup, and to back up the data of your phone, turn on Device Data. So, as I've said, it's already backed up. And if you want to get more storage, you're gonna avail a plan. And here's the included one. So there's a lot of features, offers in every plan. So for me, I've got a 15 gigabyte of storage. And the storage is shared across Google Drive, Gmail, Google Photos. And I can manage the storage by freeing up space or get more storage with Google One. So that's how you back up your Android device. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!